Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel, and if you're joining for the first time, I am Gav, the fat hairy mountain biker, and in this episode we are going to be waving goodbye to my childhood dream car and hello to the future. Let's crack on. So, you join me on a very sad day. It's going to be the last time I take my beautiful little Porsche, my pride and joy, out for a drive. Now, I wanted one of these ever since I was a little boy. I always promised myself one day I would own one. And then in the 90s, I remember playing Porsche Challenge on my PlayStation, and I absolutely fell in love with this little car. And eventually at the age of 40 I managed to get hold of one, so lifelong dream achieved. So let me tell you a little bit about this car. It's a Porsche Boxster. It's got 1,000,000 brake horsepower. It does 250 miles an hour, and it is the best car in the world. No, it's awesome. I love it. I absolutely love it. Me and my son have been out all over in this. We enjoy watching GT racing, all your nice sports cars, and we've been all over the country to all the different tracks before COVID hit. Watched a number of different races. We really loved it, but unfortunately it's now time to say goodbye so that we can get a bike tour van. So let's just go for a blast. It's quick up to 60, this beast. Right, let's go. Bit the horn. So that's it everyone, the final drive is nearly over. All that's left to do now, take her home and say goodbye. Turn the camera off.